Citizenship. State Standard HS4.T.R3.C. Compare and debate the connection between a theatrical work and contemporary issues that may impact audiences. Every good citizen makes his country's honor his own and cherishes it not only as precious, but as sacred. President Andrew Jackson. The first requisite of a good citizen in this republic of ours is that he shall be able and willing to pull his own weight. President Theodore Roosevelt. Citizenship is what makes a republic. Monarchies can get along without it. Mark Twain. If once you forfeit the confidence of your fellow citizens, you can never regain their respect and esteem. President Abraham Lincoln. Your community is any group with which you share a trait. That could be any number of things: geography, race, religion, etc. What communities do you belong to? For our purposes, we are going to focus on geographical communities, but please be aware that this information applies across the board in all types of community. You are a citizen of Cheatham County Central High School, of Ashland City or Chapmansboro, of Tennessee, of the United States, of the planet Earth. Who owns Cheatham County Central High School, or Cheatham County, or Tennessee, or the United States, or the Earth? All of these communities, large and small, are public property. Public property means that these places belong to all of us, which means all of us are equally responsible for taking care of these places. What are some ways in which we can take care of public property? First, you can follow the rules or laws of a specific community. They're in place for a reason. Second, you can be informed about matters affecting these places. You can't solve a problem you don't know exists. 3, you can be a good steward. That means helping to keep something clean even if you didn't make the mess. That means when you use up resources, you replenish them so that they're available for the next person to use. 4th, choose compassion. Part of caring for a place includes caring for its inhabitants. 5, you can actively seek to make improvements. If you have the ability to solve a problem, you have the responsibility to solve that problem. Citizenship is the quality of an individual's response to membership in a community. The opposite of a good citizen is someone who breaks rules or laws, who is willfully ignorant, destructive, selfish, and complacent about community issues. The word for this is rebellion. Rebellion means willful resistance to and disdain of convention, or, to put it simply, disrespect.